In this playlist, we are going to discuss about three important distribution of probability. The first one is chi-square distribution. This is the notation of chi-square. And the second is T distribution. And the last one is F distribution. Okay. And these three important distribution together usually known as special distribution of probability. Okay. For this reason, I give the name of this playlist as special distribution of probability. Here we discuss in different video all about these three distribution. That is like PDF, okay, and all essential and useful concept of these three distribution. Also, we give in this playlist some exercise solution, some important problem, some important theorem, and all possible PYQ, right? So this is a very important playlist for probability distribution, which is special distribution of probability. So to get overall knowledge about these three distribution, you subscribe my channel Maths A to Z and on your notification bell to get the notification earlier the uploading new video. Okay, this is the introductory lecture of special distribution of probability. Right? Thank you for watching.